Alright, g'day. Today I'm going to be working on this Toyota Hilux. Very much the same as a Toyota 4Runner. Mate's got a problem with his seat belt. Didn't pass inspection. Seat just comes out by 4 bolts. It's nothing hard there. So we've got 14mm bolt that I need to remove here. And it looks like that's the only one for there, and one down here. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking the belt itself out, unwinding it all the way, and get to the bottom of it there, and should be able to replace it. I'm just going to unwind it now before I take the belt out. Give me a second. Yeah, so it definitely can be replaced. It's a nice metal one as well, I like that. First metal one I'm working on actually. They've always been plastic in there. So the belt will slide out through there, and then I'll replace that belt and put it back in. Alright, so I got the belt out, and I'm just going through a collection of belts I've got. I've got a mixture here between Mercedes and everything. So the one that I'm going to pick is the one from my old Tarago. It's Toyota as well, so I don't have to worry about changing all of these over. All I'm replacing is in the belt end. Okay, so this is the Tarago belt here. You can see that's plastic, where the one that I'm replacing is actually metal there, so that's pretty cool. I like that. So what I want to do is, it comes out through that front there, so I need to push the back of it, get that out, and then I get this little plastic clip that's in here out. Let's put that over there. And don't be real careful of this part here. I can't express how important it is to not let this part spin out, because the clip will break. So once you've got that clip there out, just pull that belt through and you're ready there. I'm not going to let that go. I might actually get a different screwdriver just to hold that in place. I've got a mate helping me out here. Any screwdriver that will fit in that gap will be fine, so that one there's fine, what you've got in your hand right now. I don't want to let this go, so that'll do. It's kind of like a mouse trap. You pull that out and she's gone. Okay, so now the one that was in the Toyota. So you do have to hold the mechanism the right way. It's not going to work if I try and hold it any other angle, because it is designed to be a certain angle. So sometimes you've got to play with it a little bit too to get that. So I'm changing the angles of the seatbelt mechanism there, because it's got a safety latch. When it's on a hill or something like that, belts generally don't like to work. Okay, so same deal. This one's actually got a guide on it here. That could be interesting. It'll come out very easily enough. I won't be able to swap that over, I think. Anyway, we'll get to this next part here. Push that out as well. Same deal. That's out. Now the thing that I wasn't washing on the other belt when I took it out, but it's important to make note of this. I won't worry about that little plastic guide, that's not important right now. Is that when I put this other belt in, see I'm keeping the belt that way, it's the way it's going to feed in. When I get to here, that's got to be the bolt facing that way, and that's got to be facing downwards as well, which can be changed later on by folding it over and feeding it through, force feeding it through. It's a bit tough to do it, but it can be done if I do make the mistake of putting that on wrong. So now we get this out. I'll put that aside. So yeah, I've got that the right way, so the bolt will be sticking out through that way. Oh, that's got a lot of tension on that. It's really putting a lot of stress on my hand there, holding it for so long. Let's feed that through. Put that little plastic bit back in. Beautiful. Now as for that plastic guide, I don't think we can use it, but it'd be nice if we could. Belt's down there. No, that's not going to fit through. That's not going to fit through there, so put that on. We might have to cut that. So I'm just going to get some tin snips or something just to cut that in the center there. So we've got tin snips on here and there. Okay, so just going to clip this, or it doesn't matter which side, they're both exactly the same. Should work alright. The main stress, the reason why I'm not really focused, I'm really concerned about this in the middle, the pressure there, because that's mainly a guide. It's the sides here that is where the pressure will be as it goes. It's not, there's nothing going to be in the center that's applying pressure there, so that is okay. I'm happy with that. That's going to work fine. So now I'll put it back in. And there you go, belt's in. That's working. All bolted in properly on here. Beautiful. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Bit of useful information there. That should help a few of you out with Toyotas. I can't say this works for every single car. I know it doesn't work for Mercedes, and it doesn't work for Odyssey. I've had a look at both those cars previous times, but I can guarantee it works with Toyota. This is a 99 model. My Tarago, I have a 94 and a 92 model, and they're exactly the same setups. If you have a later model than what I've worked on and it doesn't have what I showed you here, that's not my fault. I haven't worked on it yet to tell you any different. Anyway, please subscribe. Always got information coming along. Sometimes I might have a random video of a game or something, but most of the time it's to do with helping people with fixing cars and things. So yeah, cheers guys.